Hi everyone, welcome back to Dave's Shed. Tito and I made a little timber rack on casters to store these boards. So stick around, I'll show you how we did it. Come on, Tito. This whole project has been made with free wood, either from recycled or I had a few scraps lying around. All it cost me were the casters and some screws. This board I'm cutting I had salvaged from a pallet. I cut 2 of these melamine boards from a wardrobe I disassembled last year. This is some framing timber left over from when I moved a wall in the house. These parts are square on one side and angled on another side. These framing timbers were so twisted, I decided I needed to flatten one side of them on the jointer. The picture in the corner shows I'm cutting these at 5 degrees. In fact, I had to come back and recut all of these parts at 6 degrees to get the best fit. As Tito says, this plywood is not very flat, so I decided to screw everything together in case I'm not happy with it, so I can take it all apart and replace this plywood with something that is flatter if I have to. These runners on the sides are pallet wood that I've dressed earlier. This is the pallet that my table saw came on, so when we eventually move, if push comes to shove, I could always disassemble this and reuse this pallet to move the table saw. I'm working my way up to a line here so that these parts are cut to an angle. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe because that encourages me to make more content for you. See you later.